In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create food slide animations in Canva. If you're looking to add some flair and professionalism to your presentations, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, make your way over to Canva by opening your web browser and navigating to the Canva website. Once you're on the site, ensure you're logged into your account. For those of you who are new to Canva, it's a powerful and user-friendly platform for designing a variety of creative projects. Next, let's create a new design. On your Canva homepage, you'll see a button labeled Create a Design. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, go ahead and select Presentation. This choice will provide you with a landscape format perfect for slides, which gives that clean, professional appearance we're aiming for. Now that you have your presentation open, it's time to start creating your slides. Each slide should focus on one dish or theme. This way, you can highlight each meal beautifully and keep your presentation well organized and engaging. Picture each slide as a little showcase box for your culinary delights, giving each dish the spotlight it deserves. Once you have your dishes or themes set up on their respective slides, you'll want to add some detail through text. Use text boxes to input dish names, prices, or even catchy captions. It's a great idea to incorporate a bit of personality here to make your presentation memorable. Remember, short and snappy text can be incredibly impactful. As you add these text boxes, it's essential to ensure that your fonts and colors are consistent throughout the presentation. Choose fonts and colors that match your overall food vibe. Whether it's rustic, modern, or elegant, consistency will help in establishing a cohesive visual theme. Now let's bring your slides to life with animations. Select any image, text, or element on your slide that you wish to animate by clicking on it. Once selected, head over to the top toolbar, where you will find the Animate button. Clicking this will present you with a variety of animation options you can apply. Be sure to choose animations that enhance rather than distract from your content. To create a seamless transition between slides, click on the plus icon located between the pages in the slide sorter panel on the left. This action will guide you to transition options. Then, opt for a transition called Match and Move. This particular animation helps create fluid motion across your presentation, giving a smooth, dynamic flow to your food slides. It makes each transition look intentional and professional. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created eye-catching food slide animations in Canva. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic of your presentation, but it also ensures your audience remains engaged and impressed. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.